you have one way to try a case, and part of that is making sure you know what the jury instructions are going to be well before you are ever in trial.
That's right. And you need a complete evidence map. You need just by issue where all the evidence fits in. And you need a by witness map. So you know where evidence comes in by witness. And then you need a check mark with your elements to make sure it all comes in. Because the worst thing in the world is say, Judge, I need to reopen because I missed something for personal jurisdiction or nonsense that you just shouldn't have missed, right? And so you need to make sure that's checked off.
What does a witness map, what does an evidence map look like? That phrase can mean different things to different people. What does it look like for you in your one way to try case?
So for me, it looks like element, witness, evidence, element, evidence, witness, right? So that you're walking through your case either by witness, by element, or by evidence. And you need to be able to look at it all those ways, because as you put a trial together, you want to put it together chronologically in a way that makes sense for the jury, but the witnesses may not come on that way. So you've got to figure out how you're going to piece your story together by the witness you have on the stand in the order that they're on the stand. I also think that your documentary evidence and your demonstrative evidence is as important as what your witnesses say. Particularly now, I mean, if you look at Fox News, if you look at Jon Stewart, they all have that box right here by their head while they're talking. And that's how juries learn to take in information. Todd talks, but what is really going on is what Todd is saying is supported by what's in the box next to his head. So as you're examining a witness, you've got to have that box up all the time that's supporting whatever you're saying.